Welcome viewers. In this video we are going to work on PHP object oriented system. This will be an intermediate level of PHP. So that's why I assume that you already know some of PHP and database connection. We will make here one PHP user registration card system. We will use PDO. For the local host I am using AMP system, and you can use exam or WAMP. There is a many Apache systems, and you can use anyone you like. So let's create database phpmyadmin, and then new, and here I will create database name of CRUD. It is created, and then here I will create one table. This table name will be registration, and this will have we will see how many we need. And first here will be ID, then will be name, then username, email, password, then will be date created, and then date update, and then we need here the profile. ID will be int, and then auto increment, and these all are should be worker, and I will just make them worker. And this date created will be date time, and this one also will be date time, and profile will be worker. And profile I will give it 200, and then password also 200, email will be 50, username will be 40, and name will be 20. We will define this profile as here I will give one image. This will be a directory, and then profile.jpg, and this will be current timestamp, and this one also will be current timestamp. Others we don't need any default value. And let's save now. Our database are ready. In this video we will make just connection. I will open my VS Code here. First of all I have to come here in a Mac application, then app folder, then W folder, and here I will create one directory. This directory name will be simply CRUD, and inside CRUD I will create another directory for image. So this will be image. I will just save this to the application, then amp w and this CRUD, and then inside CRUD I'll give it name of connection.php, and we will initiate PHP here, create the class of connection. This is the database class. So now we will create here the variables. Inside the class we should specify the variable. It is private or public or protected. So I will create here the variable, and this will be private variable host. This will be equal to localhost, and the second will be also private. This will be username equal to root, and third one here will be again private. This is password. This will be equal to MySQL in AMP, and the fourth one here will be again private, and this one is DB name, the name of database. and we created their CRUD create constructed method, and this will be public function, and here double underscore, then construct, and then I will give here condition if not is set this db, then we are going to do here try catch, and inside the catch I need PDO exception, and this exception will be E, and here exception error if we could not connect with database, and this one here will be die and with failed to connect with MySQL, and then we can connect error whatever the error is coming from, and this will be E get message. So now here we have to create our instance of connection. I will give it name of db equal to new, it will be PDO, and here I will write MySQL. This will be host that's equal to then we concatenate with this variable. We will use here this keyword this, and then just host. Here we don't need this $sign anymore, and then will be database name, then db name, that will be equal to this db name, and then will be this username, and then will be this password. After that we have to do here db will be set attribute, and this attribute we will set with PDO attr underscore error mode, then will be also PDO error mode underscore exception. Then here will be this db equal to db variable. Now let's see if we connected successfully or not. What we have to do, I'll just come here in new page, just write localhost, and then come here in CRUD and connection. So we see nothing here. I will write here if db, then we will message here echo connection. Okay, so after that now we have to get our object here, and I will just give it name of db equal to new connection. Now let's see if it's working or not. Okay, now this error failed to connect with MySQL, could not find driver. So let's check what is the problem. This should be MySQL SQ, we forgot Q here, and now let's see, and connection is okay. That means we are connected with database successfully, and if I suppose give the wrong name of database, and then we will get this error. So unknown database CRUD1. Now come here and you can see everything is working fine. In next video we are going to register our user to the database and hash the password of user. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much. See you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.